Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix camera noise issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of camera that their camera noise is too much, and whenever they record a video there is a noise which is causing the video issue. So guys, if you're also facing this issue that your camera is having a noise, so guys, don't worry. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this. First of all, you have to do is clean the camera lens. Sometimes it is simply as giving the camera lens a good wipe. Use a clean soft cloth to remove any dirt on your camera lens. After this, what you have to do is restart your iPhone. A classic but effective move. Restart your iPhone to ensure that any temporary glitches are sorted out. So you have to go to your settings, tap on general, scroll down in the tab on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version tab. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Camera performance improvement often comes with software updates, so you have to open your software updates and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is check your camera settings. Open the camera app Open the camera app and check for any specific setting that may be causing noise. For instance, high ISO settings can introduce more noise. Insecure your camera settings are optimized for your shooting condition, and you have to also disable your live photos. If this is enabled, so you have to disable this. Live photos capture a few seconds of video along with your photo. Turn off live photos might reduce noise, especially in low light situation. Then you have to do is use a third-party camera app. Try using a third-party camera app from the App Store to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if it's a system-wide problem or specific to the default camera app. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is reset your networks. Oh, sorry, you have to do is reset your all settings on your iPhone. Open your settings and go to General. Scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. If it still doesn't work, then you have to check for hardware issue. If the issue persists, there might be a hardware problem. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for a more in-depth examination. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.